architect, I'm very much peculiar on the collections and the designs and all those things. So in that way, Simpolo really has a unique collections, and I trust in this market where the market is extremely saturated, where there's a lot of competitors in this world, in this market, and coming out with some unique designs and unique features. I think Simpolo is best at it, and that's the one reason I'm going ahead with Simpolo for all my projects.
Simpolo has very good collections, colors, the sizes. Of course, when we bring our clients, we don't have to worry about the choices here because everything here goes with our style of design.
This experience center is phenomenal, and we are so inspired. I see new collections here. I see a lot of architects who are involved in picking and choosing the right product. Why should I choose Simpolo than other brands? Is because I feel it's got to do the design. It has better varieties and better options. It has great credibility on quality and on the delivery as well.
To be honest, when I stepped into this showroom and I had a look at all the tiles over here, I really felt like I would love to bring my customers to this place because each and every tile that we see, it goes perfectly with our aesthetic. It blends perfectly. So anything they select is like a perfect match, and it resonates a lot with the kind of design that we do.
We've been working with Simpolo, if I'm not wrong, from 2019. Of course, I work with a couple of their channel partners. It's been a great experience so far. Especially this new series, the Glyph Stone series, is something that's on par with some international products. So it's exciting to see what's coming up next.
We've been working with Simpolo for a very long time. I don't have the exact number of years, and we're really happy dealing with the company, as not only the product, the service provided by the factory and the company is also very well. Also, they take in your point of view in making in the product, and they spend in time with you for the product knowledge and give you a product variety as well.
Good news to everyone. I mean, long-awaited Simpolo showroom we have inaugurated at Chennai. Most of the senior architects, CREDAI President, CREDAI Vice President, all the CREDAI members have come and facilitated the showroom. As far as Chennai is concerned, for Simpolo, this is going to be one of the best showroom because, most of the architect finding a place to select their tiles requirements. It's quite difficult in Chennai, you need to roam around across. It is heart of the city. So requesting everyone, please come and have experience. This is a company-owned showroom, and every tile have been displayed in such a way that you can completely analyze with the random finishes, and QR code will help you to understand the random finishes.
Today we are here at the launch of the company's signature gallery here in Chennai, and as a dealer I'm thrilled that Simpolo has come out with a gallery in the heart of the city, right at T. Nagar, at the Joy Alucas building, Prashant Gould Tower. So this being the center of the city, it becomes extremely accessible for all our architect and builder friends to come down, take a look at the collection in an ambience that justifies the existence of the collection of the latest styles that Simpolo is bringing to us.